My name is Muhammad Ali, and I've been bartending for about 10 years now, and I've been at the Hotel Nikko for 6 months now. What I enjoy most about bartending is interacting with the guests. I'm a people person. I love learning about different cultures and where people are from. So definitely conversation with people from all over the world is something I enjoy the best. When I deal with guests, I always like to ask what kind of spirit they like, so that can give me an idea of what direction I can go in. If they like it sweet, if they like it sour, if they like it more on the rocks or martini style. So definitely I like to engage with guests, see what they like, and then try to put a spin on a cocktail that they've never had before. One thing I like about Infanta is distilled with coconut, and it's from the Philippines, so definitely something, the conversation piece we can discuss with guests. What advice do I have for someone who wants to be a bartender? Just keep an open mind and always be willing to learn, because I'm always willing to learn behind the bar every day.